Hey, few people that are following, just a couple updates. I've been off channel for a long time here. Lots of changes. Notice a little different scenery. We're in California now. So we've also had a vehicle change since the last video. So I don't have the Mercedes diesel truck anymore. I'm now back to American vehicles, and I have this. And this is my 2015 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali, asphalt silver metallic. Had it a little under 2 years now, and it's been great. It survived moving me and family stuff cross country, and been a solid citizen for a few more thousand miles, and just been around for a lot of life. So since we're here back in sunny California, we're also looking at just making sure the truck registers again for the second year. And one of the things I noticed is I needed to fix a burnt out license plate light. The one on the left isn't working. So hopped on Amazon, picked up a couple of fine Chinese LEDs, and we're going to put those on and see how they do, and take you with. Alright, so we're here under the bottom of the truck. In the back, one thing I'll say is great is California, it's not cold when you're laying on the concrete, and it's actually real pleasant right now. Up here is the connector for that bulb, and I think it's just a yank out. We're gonna work on that, get it popped out, and oh nope, it's a twist, third of a twist. Here's our bulb. We'll swap in the new one, and we'll go from there. All right, switch sides, popping out the other one here. Grab, twisty twist, pops out, and there's our bulb. And we'll pop that out and then get the one on this side. All right, LED installed, going back in. And twist. Click. Good. All right, real time, you guys get to check me. Did I get polarity right on the LEDs on both? This side good? Good? Yeah, great success. All right. Hope everyone else is doing great and, enjoying life. Catch you around next time. So you might say, hey, George, not only you get this new truck here, but, that's not a normal accoutrement on a Denali. It's got the tow mirrors. No, that's because this girl hauled me and the family stuff in a 24-foot trailer from Nashville back to California. Only cost me a rear end, but you do 1-ton things in a half-ton, and that happens. Anyhow, been a solid citizen and just enjoying driving it and keeping her going. Have a good one. I couldn't provide, you guys without doing the dark shot, so here she goes. Nice. Evenly lit. Keeping the CHP off my case. Now I can put some green tools in the truck for tomorrow's adventures.